Hi, today is Michelle. She's pretty one. She's going to be doing this look for you. The makeup is going to look nice. I'm also going to be shifting through accents, so don't mind me if you hear another person come out. Okay, first she take the expensive is product, or she's do is conceal like is video. Instagram is Michelle X Diaz is follow. Hehe. Okay, she is beating his face is sponge, like the one you find this kitchen. Okay, that was such a mom joke. We're gonna act like we didn't hear that. Okay, she's do extra concealer because she's not sleeping at night time. She's talking to boys on the phone. Okay, now she's taking the flour. Okay, she putting is plain is flour. You buy is Walmart, is Desco. Now you are waiting. You are leaking this dry lips. Yes, she's gonna set her face with some powder. Beat that face, girl. Okay, now she is drawing on the hair to tell people that she's really having the eyebrow. Nice. Okay, now she is doing is matching same the other one is looking like it's a princess. Okay, now she's taking the color is purple. She's gonna apply it all over her lid, and don't worry if there's any fallout, guys, because she does have powder under. You know, she can dust that shit off later. For you guys that really want to see me, 3, 2, 1, cue the forehead, and you got your feature. Yes! You already know the drill. She's gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, now she is doing is take is shiny with the his finger is dirty. Oh, this finger dirty. She's just gonna smoke out the bottom of her. What is that, an eyelid? Underlid? One of the two. Her waterline.
It's a lash line.
But enough. This one is fine. It's fine. But she keeps going, you know. Extra. Hehehe. Hey, gang. Assuming she's saying you get free lashes down below. Yeah, definitely. She is bring is sharp, is contour, is down to his cheekbone, is make it look sharp. Now she add the blusher to do the clown one I like. Okay, she go back with the highlighter and she do is rub. Yes, girl, you better define that nose with highlight. Rub that in. Oh, she's having a lot. Okay, maybe you give us some too, huh? Don't be greedy, Michelle. Kylie Jenner, who, please? Yeah, some gloss. Remember back in the days when gloss was just so tacky, but now, oof, just look at it glide on. Nice. Okay guys, and that was her video. Hope you guys liked it. Subscribe and press the like button and tune in for videos next time. Peace. Oh, and my uncle is saying bye.
So, as amigos. So. You know when you're nervous, sometimes you